Hey everyone, Craig here from Clarion BTC. Today I want to talk about something that almost nobody in trading likes to talk about: red weeks. Not the flashy wins, not the screenshots, not the huge leverage trades people post all over the social media. I'm talking about those weeks where it feels like nothing is working. Because here's the truth: most traders don't fail because they have a bad strategy. They fail because they can't handle pain. That's really what it comes down to. A losing streak starts. Day 1, you're fine. Day 2, you're a little frustrated. Day 3, you start questioning yourself. Maybe the strategy doesn't work anymore. Maybe you've lost your edge. Then day 4, you're not even trading the market anymore. You're fighting your own emotions. And that's exactly where most trading accounts get destroyed. At Clarion BTC, we spend a lot of time talking about market structure, liquidity, risk management, and execution. But psychology is every bit as important, because the moment your ego becomes attached to the outcome of the trade, trading becomes dangerous. And now every position means something emotionally. Every loss feels personal. Every setup becomes, I need this one to work. That mindset is poison. Professional traders think very differently. They don't ask, how do I make this money back? Instead, they ask, did I execute my plan correctly? That's a massive difference, because none of us control outcomes. What we do control is our execution, our risk management, our discipline, our process. Bitcoin doesn't care how you're feeling today. The market doesn't owe any of us a winning trade. And one of the biggest mindset shifts you'll ever make is realizing that survival is your edge. Protect your capital, protect your psychology, stay in the game, because the traders who succeed over the long term aren't the ones who never lose. They're the ones who stay disciplined when they do. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more Bitcoin trading education, market psychology, and risk management tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.